We've done 30 days, we've done 2 weeks, and now it's time for a 7-day dropshipping store challenge. Now you know the deal by now. Find a product, build a store, create ads, and start making sales. That's dropshipping explained in a perfect world. But 7 days is going to be a completely different ballgame than the other videos I've done on this channel, because this is really only enough time to test one product, maybe two if we're lucky. So if I don't choose a good first product and make really good video ads for it, by the end of this video, I'm really going to be the dropshipping YouTube king of L's. Fortunately, I think finding good products is easier today than it ever has been. The amount of good products you can find by just scrolling on TikTok is insane. One of my favorite ways recently has actually been going through these accounts that expose dropshippers on TikTok. They'll make a video showing a viral product and then show the supplier, the product cost, and even their total sales, which for someone like me who is constantly looking for new products to sell, this can actually save you like hours of work. So thank you to the dropship exposers. In addition to that, I've also been using the winning product and TikTok spy sections on AutoDS. From here, you can filter out TikTok ads based on the impressions they're getting and the content interactions, and you can find tons of products that you already know are working for other stores in a fraction of the time that it would take scrolling through AliExpress or something like that. So I spent a majority of the day looking for products, and there was a lot that I was considering, but I think the one that has the most potential for success is this one right here. If you've been on TikTok in the past couple months, there's a good chance that you've seen videos of people cooking super greasy food in their bed or car or in class. And even though I'm pretty late to this trend, I still think this product has a ton of opportunity. This is the main competitor selling this product, and he is still constantly going viral with videos that have millions of views that were posted in the past couple of weeks. And after tracking his sales using Shop Hunter, I can see that he's made about $4,000 last month with a website that looks like this.
What the hell is even that?
So my plan is to build a store as quick as possible that looks better than that. I'm going to order 3 original ad creatives off of Bands Off ads because I don't have enough time to order this product to my house and then start making my own ad videos. And with those 3 ads, I'm going to set up a $100 ad campaign on TikTok, and we're going to see if we can get any sales off of that. For my fulfillment for this product, I'm going to be using AutoDS, which is like an all-in-one dropshipping software that you can integrate right into your Shopify store. Like I mentioned earlier, I like to use the software for product research, but what I think is going to be most useful is the fulfillment tool in this. And instead of manually importing each customer's information into AliExpress whenever I make a sale, I'm just going to import my product into AutoDS before I even make any sales. So every time that I do make a sale, they'll take care of all the fulfillment and everything for me, and I don't even have to touch my keyboard. AutoDS also gives you access to a bunch of US suppliers, which gives you way faster shipping times than sourcing products from China and then upsetting your customers when they don't get their item in time and then getting chargebacks, which is a problem that I've had with some of my past stores. Now, obviously, this is what I'd be doing with the product that we're selling in this video, but I think because this product is still pretty new, I can't find any US suppliers that will sell me this for anywhere close to the rates I can get from China. So if this product doesn't work out, I'm definitely going to go straight to AutoDS to find my next supplier. And if you guys want to try them out, you can try 30 days free with AutoDS with a link in the description. So on day 2, I built a simple but clean looking store using the best content that I could find with this product online, and I priced it at $58, which would give me a nice healthy 65% profit margin. And by the end of the day, I got back the creative videos I paid for, and I set up my ads to run for the next 24 hours. It's the next morning. Our ads got approved last night and they ran throughout the night. And so far we spent $23.60 on our ads, and actually they're performing pretty well. We have a 23-cent cost per click and about a 1.3% click-through rate, which is pretty good. I heard you kind of want to be in that 1.5 to 2% range, but for now this is pretty decent to start seeing if we can get some results from this or not. And looking at our ads, it actually does say that we've made a sale, which is actually not true. When you go to our Shopify, you can see that we have $0 in total sales and we have 81 store visitors for the day so far. So to me, what this is saying is that people don't trust our website enough yet, and we really need to dial in our product page. So I decided to completely redo the website using this template that I got from Jordan Brown's free dropshipping course, which is just mwah. As you can see, this looks 10 times better. We have quantity breaks, we have a sticky add to cart, and we even have an upsell for lifetime warranty for $5, which would bring the average order value way up. Now, once I had a new site, I let the ads that I was running earlier run for the rest of the night until the next morning. No sales yet. I really thought that by changing that landing page, we would have at least one sale by now. But as you can see, sitting at 97 store visitors for the day and 0 sales. What has gone up though is my add to carts and my reach checkouts, but still nobody is checking out. And if we look at the past 2 days, we've had 8 people reach checkout and none of them have converted into a sale. This one is just me when I was testing it out. So I decided to remove any friction involved in the buying process. Originally, I was charging $5 for shipping to try to raise my average order value, and I have a feeling that this is what's throwing people off. So I made my shipping free, and I made a new ad group targeting only the US instead of the US and Canada, which is where most of my traffic was coming from. All right, boys, so only about 2 hours since that last update, we finally made our first sale. So we're up to $68.57 in revenue, and this is from that new ad group that I just started, the US only ad group. And this has only spent $8 so far to return $60, which is way better than the $145 that we're at with the other ad. So yeah, I'm thinking about spending maybe $10 more on the other ad group, seeing if it's actually the people that I'm targeting with the ad group or if it's the changes I made on the website that are creating more sales. So hopefully we can get a few more sales by the end of today so I don't have to cry about all the money I'm losing. I think we got to kill this product. We've been running ads since yesterday, and we spent $200 overall in ads and still no other sales other than that one. So I think it's time to stop holding on to the product, take the emotion out of it, and we got to start from scratch and we got to find a new product. So I kept looking and scrolling for new products. When I found one that looked promising, I would run over to Shop Hunter, check their sales, which most of the time would leave me disappointed that they weren't actually making that much money, until I think I found a new product to test. It is this mini jewelry / eyeglass cleaner. Now, there's probably some dropshippers that are watching this and rolling their eyes because this thing has been around. There's probably been dropshippers running this for over a year at this point. But hear me out, there's a new account that's just popped up like this week. And he's kind of taking this approach of when your grandma hasn't cleaned her earrings in 5 years, and these things have been blowing up. 1.6 million likes in only 5 days. So hopefully we can get in on this before other people start stealing these hooks and these video ideas, and redeem ourselves for these past couple days. 6 hours later, we have a brand new store. I introduced to you the Sonic Glisten. Basically the exact same design from the last one. I just found as many good pictures that I could from this new product. And as you can see, this is pretty much all visual. I don't have a lot of text here, and that's just because I find that the more text that you put on a product page, the less conversions you get. Ideally, I would like to have all these photos transition into each other, but this is, you know, half a day's of work, and I'm really just trying to get ads going as soon as possible because we're running out of time in the 7-day challenge. That's pretty much all I have left in me for today. It's 1:20 a.m. right now. I'm exhausted, so it's time to get to bed, and we'll see you tomorrow. So day 6 was the most stressful day of this challenge. I woke up to find that the ads I set up the night before were still in review, and I missed out on 8 hours of potential sales. Luckily, I fixed this by just creating a new ad group, and those got approved right away. But while these ads were running, I was getting on a 12-hour flight, and I couldn't see what was happening on the store. But by the time I landed, I checked my Shopify and saw that we had made 5 sales, bringing in $110.
They ain't believe in us. God did.
Oh man, so what a week it has been. Yesterday we did $110, and after today we've had a total of 10 sales on the new store, which has brought us $243 in revenue. Now in total between the two stores we did $310 in revenue. We spent $400 on ads and $90 on product cost. So we didn't end up profitable, but that was one hell of a comeback after making only 1 sale in 5 days during a 7-day challenge. So it looks like the chase to making a profitable dropshipping store continues, but I feel like we're getting really close. And in the next dropshipping store challenge video that you see on this channel, I promise we will finally have found a winner. So subscribe if you want to see that, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.